Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Investors are particularly interested in GameFi because it represents a sector of the broader blockchain ecosystem that has earned a genuine interest worldwide. They are betting on the futures as only a few industries have a chance of attracting more users in the long run than GameFi. Here that the sector was still at the very nascent stage with significant room for improvement, especially when it comes to innovations. As things stand, major enterprises, including mainstream gaming companies, are jumping on the GameFi bandwagon as the industry continues to advance. Eminent gaming powerhouses such as Ubisoft are already making moves to conquer the GameFi frontier. Earlier this year, the gaming firm announced a partnership with Hydra and the HBAR Foundations to come up with Web3 GameFi games for the brand. The gaming behemoth is behind the popular Far Cry and Rainbow Six franchises. Sinja, another known game developer, also announced its plans at the beginning of the year to unveil its own NFT-based games. The mobile gaming giant said that it was working toward building a blockchain team and making alliances with accomplished blockchain partners in order to bring to life its own collection of NFT games. Mainstream tech conglomerates such as Tencent, the Chinese multinational technology company, have also started investing in the GameFi sector. The company was recently named among the top contributors in Immutables. Million fundraising event. Immutable is the developer behind NFT games such as The Gods, Enchanted, and Gold of Guardians. The entry of such players indicates increased competitiveness for a share of the space. This is likely to increase GameFi investment and drive innovation over the long term. Cointelegraph had the chance to catch up with Antolin, the CEO founder and CEO of NFT rental protocol Unitbox, to discuss this phenomenon. Lin said that the industry's highly positive growth indicators were among the main reasons why investors are flocking to the sector. Unlike other applications areas, GameFi allows for implementing for teacher and now, and the sector growth forecast and indicators speaks for themselves. He also notes that some game developers were looking to double in GameFi in order to option a more engaged demographic. Some challenge that the GameFi industry is experiencing. While the GameFi sector attracts hundreds of players, investors, and gaming companies, there are still some significant issues to overcome before it captures a sizable pie of the overall gaming industry. Securities issues. The GameFi market has faced some serious hacks in the recent past that are likely to negatively impact user sentiment in the sector. One of them is the Ronin Bridge hack attack that happened earlier this year. It caused Infinity players to lose over $600 million in crypto. Most recently, a newly launched Web3 game dubbed Dragoma suffered a rank pull that caused users to lose $3 million. These are just a few of the reported loss from GameFi intrusions and scams. Such incidents continue to erode trust in the industry. Poor gaming experience. Furthermore, blockchain-based games suffer from playability issues, while they allow players to control and transfer their in-game assets. Graphic immersions and gameplay often lag far behind their mainstream competitors. Many blockchain game mechanisms beyond grinding, completing repetitive tasks to be rewarded with assets. Complaints from gamers shows that the appeal of blockchain-based token isn't everything and that players still value the vivid experiences offered by popular mainstream game over the benefits provided by GameFI. Uncertain regulations. Additionally, many GameFI platforms are operating in a regulatory gray area and are likely to face major headlines in the next couple of years. Maybe it's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.